Hey everyone, I was going to say Sunday, but it's not Sunday, it's Thursday. Oh, I got my dress on backwards. Okay, nice.
Hello everyone, happy Pink Fairy 123 video. How are you guys doing today? My name is Kidneyjay. The J stands for jerk because my kidneys are a pair of jerks. And listen, this is a Pink Fairy video from Vlogmas. I haven't covered any of her quote-unquote cooking videos because when I started covering Pink Fairy, she was in the middle of moving into her 1986 mobile home and she didn't have a kitchen done. So now she's starting to do her cooking videos like she used to do. So we're going to cover this one called American / worst potato salad / Vlogmas Day 15. Now, I, of course, went through this, chopped it up. Listen, this potato salad was making me Slim Shady Mom's Spaghetti queasy. So let's just get into it.
Making some potato salad for dinner tonight. I got my 3 eggs in here. So that's what we're doing, and we're going to have some cheeseburgers. Cheeseburgers and potato salad. I don't know. I just said cheeseburger. I was like, ooh. Potato salad sounds really yummy with it.
Okay, so I'm just going to note right off the bat, for some reason she sounds extra wheezy, extra out of breath, sort of, at the end of the sentence, her words are kind of sort of whispering out. I don't know what's the deal with that. Not going to get into if she's smoking or not.
So that's what I'm going to do. Raining outside right now. I didn't think it was supposed to rain no more, but guess I was wrong. It rained all day yesterday and all night last night. Guys, we are cutting up the pickles. I cut my thumb yesterday. I can't use a knife on my right hand. Did I tell you guys that? I don't think I did. I was grading potatoes for the homemade scallop potatoes. Cut my thumb and I got the top of my finger too, but top of my finger's not as bad, but my thumb is.
Okay, embassy alert, people. I need you for this one because I want to know what she says about her cutting her fingers. Now, I did do a video, I'll link it up. I promise I will remember at the top there about how her fingers, the cuts on her fingers might not heal because she is type 2 diabetic. And, you know, if you're diagnosed with that and you have uncontrolled sugars, you could have a problem healing, especially in your extremities. Most people think of toes and feet and legs being amputated. At dialysis, I've seen people with fingers amputated because the blood flow, there's damage to the small blood vessels, blood flow and essential nutrients. You know, that nutrient-rich blood can't get to those heels and to those cuts and sort of heal it. So I want to know what she says. Let's listen 2 more times. I think she said something about cutting her thumb off. Let me know in the comments. And while you're there, hit the like and subscribe. Appreciate it.
My finger's not as bad, but my thumb is. My finger's not as bad, but my thumb is. It's sore. Let me know down below how you guys make your potato salad. If I had bacon bits, I'd put bacon bits in it too, because it's good with bacon bits and some cheese. Okay, you guys got it.
Okay, my potato salad. Boil the potatoes within a life, like within an inch of their life, so it leaches out a lot of the potassium. Mayo, some mustard, because I think you need some acid in there, as well as Stubbs pickles, hard-boiled eggs, Hellman's mayo, salt, pepper. Also, really irks me that she's cutting on her vagina, as she calls it. Girl, you're at the Dollar Tree like every other day. Get yourself like a $1 cutting board. Pick up a few, or even those mats. Like, why waste those plates?
Everything ready for the tater salad. I did a little cut and I could do it. So I got my thumb over here to the side.
Oh, Lord.
I got my finger right there, too.
That's not so bad. But, you know,
I got it. Good.
I hope she's taking that Band-Aid off.
Salad in December.
Her last update was she put that Band-Aid on for a few days and didn't even look at it. But apparently she's talking to her nurse who's telling her, giving her instructions on how to properly care for the wound.
Okay. Let's get the potatoes poured in. Okay. Got that. Yes, I need to do dishes.
Pickles. Okay, I'm like on board with that.
Eggs.
The pickles could be smaller.
One
Eggs.
more eggs, but I didn't have no more.
I'm on board with eggs.
We just have to make do with what we got.
I forgot to mention green onion or spring onion. That's well put.
Let's do the bigger onion just in case.
Oh my god. I could not.
You know what? A bigger knife. Not that knife. I don't even know what this knife's for. I don't even.
Okay, what is this knife for? So I know that they have holes in knives for like, so there's not as much friction if you're cutting something. Serrated bread, but then you have the spikes for like a cheese knife. Is this sort of an all-purpose type of knife? Maybe, but yeah, I wouldn't be using that either because it's serrated. Probably not the best to cut your onion.
Use it. I even used it one time. So we'll put that back in the drawer. I like these better anyways.
I would never put white raw onion in. Never. And that's a lot. She does call this the worst potato salad, though.
You guys have onion in yours?
think she's wrong.
Like onion in theirs.
Oh my god.
I always gotta take a first layer off of here. It's so tough. I just don't like it.
No more! Ugh. She's killing me. Okay, only half. Oh my god. I'm getting heartburn just looking at all that onion in that potato salad.
Okay. Okay, let me get the mayonnaise.
Alright, mayo. Mayo time. I'm a mayo snob. Hellman's for me only. Okay, so she said that's the Amish kind. Is that something popular down there? You call it the Amish kind? I swear it said sandwich spread or something. So maybe something equivalent to like Miracle Whip. I don't know, guys. Let your little poor sheltered Canadian girl know what the heck Amish mayo is.
Put 3. See what happens from there. We will.
At least she didn't lick it.
Now the fun part, the mixing. I still made way too much. I didn't mean to make as much.
Ugh.
Oh well.
Everyone take the potato salad. Take seconds. It's going to be in the fridge for a while. It's onion salad.
I can wear the one bites. You know what I mean? Oh well, let's push them. We are going to add pepper.
Okay, good.
Love pepper.
I do too.
Garlic powder.
Oh my god, it's a lot of garlic powder there.
And some onion powder. That's how I make mine.
I don't know. Is her palate broken? Because for me, potato salad, it's about the potatoes and the mayo. And you sort of have the eggs, the richness of the eggs. And then you have the acidity of some pickles and a little bit of punch with some green onions. Salt, pepper, yes. For seasoning, for sure. But all of this? All right, guys, so that is what she calls, her words, worst potato salad. Might have to agree. Just a short one, sort of ease back in. I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you're new, like I said. And let me know about Amish Mayo. Bye.